अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद है आप सब ठीक होंगे। आज मैं एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक लेके आई हूँ पीपीएससी और इंग्लिश लेक्चरशिप के हवाले से। चले आए हम वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। टुडेज़ टॉपिक इज़ prepositions इज़ आवर टुडेज़ टॉपिक के इम्पोर्टेंट prepositions कौन कौन सी होती हैं जो टेस्ट्स में पूछी जाती हैं। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है जनाब, नफीसा इज़ अफ्रेड from spiders, in spiders, about spiders or of spiders. So correct option is D, of spiders. Question number 2 है जनाब, I am worried dash the exams, in the exams, about the exams, on the exams or of the exams. तो second option is right, about the exams. Question number 3 है जनाब, he looks upset, I think he took the criticism dash heart, to heart, about heart, in heart, of heart. So option A, to heart is right answer. Question number 4 है जनाब, I am envious dash them, of them, about them, in them or on them. So option A is right, I am envious of them. Next question है जनाब, he is confident, sorry there is a spell mistake, confident dash me, about me, in me, on me or of me. Option B, he is confident in me. Next question है जनाब, they decided dash the grey sofa, about the grey sofa, on the grey sofa, in the grey sofa or of the grey sofa. So option B, on the grey sofa is right answer. Question number 7 है जनाब, she suffers a dash heart disease, about a heart disease, in a heart disease, from a heart disease or on a heart disease. So option C, she suffers from a heart disease is right answer. Question number 8 है जनाब, the teacher set some homework dash the end of the lesson, about the end of the lesson, in the end of the lesson, of the end of the lesson or at the end of the lesson. So option D, the teacher set some homework at the end of the lesson. Question number 9 है जनाब, I am good dash tennis, about tennis, in tennis, at tennis or of tennis. Option C, I am good at tennis. Question number 10 है जनाब, we arrived the dash station and are late, about the station, in the station, at the station or of the station. So option C, we arrived at the station at an hour. Next question है जनाब, he is interested dash history, about history, of history, in history or on history. So he is interested in history. Question number 12 है जनाब, please do not interfere dash my personal affairs, about my personal affairs, in my personal affairs, of my personal affairs or on my personal affairs. Option B, please do not interfere in my personal affairs. Question number 13 है जनाब, green pepper is very rich dash vitamin C, of vitamin C, about vitamin C, on vitamin C and in vitamin C. Green pepper is very rich in vitamin C. Question number 14 है जनाब, he was embarrassed because everybody was dash laughing him, on laughing him, in laughing him, at laughing him or about laughing him. Option C, everybody was laughing at him. Question number 15 है जनाब, she cares dash the environment, on the environment, in the environment, of the environment or about the environment. So option D, she cares about the environment. वन थिंग मोर गाइज, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियोस पसंद आ रही हो तो काइंडली मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें और प्यारा सा कमेंट करें कि आपको नेक्स्ट किस टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जनाब, इट वाज काइंड डैश यू टू हेल्प, ऑफ, इन, अबाउट और ऑन. सो इट वाज ए, इट वाज काइंड ऑफ यू टू हेल्प. नाइस. Question number 17 है जनाब, unfortunately we had to cancel it dash owing dash the bad weather, in the bad weather, to the bad weather, of the bad weather or about the bad weather. So option B, unfortunately, we had to cancel it owing to the bad weather. Question number 18 है जनाब, what did you make dash the lecture? In the lecture, on the lecture, about the lecture, of the lecture. Option D, what did you make of the lecture? Question number 19 है जनाब, he was accused dash theft. On theft, about theft, in theft or of theft. So option D, she was accused or he was accused of theft. Question 20 है जनाब, as me, I'll be happy to lend a hand. In, for, about or of. Option B, as for me, I'll be happy to lend a hand. Question number 21 है जनाब, it differs their last suggestion, about their last suggestion, in their last suggestion, of their last suggestion, from their last suggestion. Option D, it differs from their last suggestion. Question number 22 है जनाब, I am favor the dash idea. I think it will work well. On favor the idea, in favor the idea, of favor the idea, about favor the idea. So option C, I am favor of the idea. Question number 23 है जनाब, what is the cause dash the problem? What is the cause of the problem, on the problem, about the problem, in the problem? Option A, what is the cause of the problem? Question number 24 है जनाब, I would like to thank you dash behalf of all of us, on all of us, in all of us, and about of us, and of all of us. So option A, I would like to thank you on behalf of all of us. Question number 25 है जनाब, he is jealous dash her success, of, about, in, and on. So option B, he is jealous of her success. Question number 26 है जनाब, everything is dash control, there is no need to worry, about control, under control, in control, or off control. Option B, everything is under control, there is no need to worry. Question number 27 है जनाब, he is married dash Maria, about Maria, to Maria, of Maria, or in Maria. Option B, he is married to Maria. Question 28 है, he does not care dash losing his job, about losing his job, in losing his job, of losing, or on losing. Option A, he does not care about losing his job. Second last question है, I will never listen dash the radio, to the radio, of, about, or in. I never listen to the radio. And the last question is, do not take any notice dash him, about him, on him, of him, or in him. So option C, do not take any notice of him. उम्मीद है आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.